Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the app, update Messenger, sign in, and open the chat that contains voice messages. Once done, tap the chat's header to access search and media options. Make sure you have a stable connection. Searching can be slow on poor networks. If you use multiple accounts, confirm you're in the right one before continuing. Now, locate the search icon or the conversation's media, files, and links panel. This is where voice clips are indexed and where the actual search begins. Next, find voice clips by using the chat search field or the media, files, and links section. Both help narrow results. Type keywords, names, or dates. Messenger indexes attached labels and captions. Once results appear, switch to audio or media filters to isolate voice messages. Look for microphone or waveform thumbnails. If you don't see audio, tap See All Media, then toggle to Files or Audio. This focused filtering saves time and prevents you from endlessly scrolling through text and images. Finally, play the voice clip to confirm it's the one you need. Use the download or save option to keep offline. If you want to preserve it, forward the message to yourself or starred conversation, or export via share. Make sure file playback volume and permissions are enabled. If a clip doesn't appear, clear Messenger cache, update the app, or log out and back in. These steps resolve indexing glitches. If problems persist, request the sender to resend the voice note as a file attachment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.